If you want to clone apps on Samsung Galaxy A57, then first of all we can go to Settings. Over here in Settings we can scroll down and go to Advanced Features, and then over here in Advanced Features we should be able to find Dual Messenger. Unfortunately, while this option allows you to duplicate apps, it does not allow you to duplicate pretty much any app, and it only allows you to clone some social media apps such as Facebook or WhatsApp. And if you want to duplicate something that is not supported in here, then unfortunately you cannot really, of course, use this feature. However, there is a certain alternative that we can use and use it to duplicate apps. And that feature is the secure folder. So if we go back to settings, we should be able to then proceed to security and privacy. Now in here, we're gonna open more security settings, and then we want to find the secure folder in here. We need to set it up, so we're gonna tap on continue, then grant all the necessary permissions, and now we need to wait for the secure folder to be created. Secure folder is not strictly used to duplicate apps. It's not this is not the only purpose of this feature, but of course we can use it simply because the secure folder is like a separate environment that we can have inside our phone. Anything that we have inside the secure folder is separated from everything that we have outside of it, and this includes apps. This also means that since it is like a private separate space, we can install apps in the secure folder. We do not move apps from our phone to the secure folder. We install apps inside the secure folder, hence why we can duplicate them. Alright, besides that, the secure folder has a password, which we can set up, of course. We have to actually set up. So we can choose either pin code, password, or pattern, and also in addition to that we can use fingerprints, for example. So in my case I'm gonna set up a simple pin code. There we go, let's tap on continue. Of course, if your password is easy to guess, then you will be informed about it, but we can use the simple password anyway. There we go, we need to enter our password for the second time in order to confirm. And there is also the option that allows you to use your Samsung account in order to be able to recover the password to the secure folder in case you forget it. In my case, I don't need it, so I'm gonna tap on don't allow and then OK, and we're gonna go next. Now we have the option to choose what should happen when the secure folder is locked. So we can either close all apps while locked, or we can allow background activity while locked. And after that, we can find the information about the fact that you can hide the secure folder. So if you want to hide the secure folder for some reason, then at least now you know that you can. Alright, so we are going to be redirected to the secure folder now. By the way, the secure folder can be found in the app drawer. It's going to be added to the app drawer by default. So how we can now clone apps with this secure folder? Let's say I want to duplicate Facebook, Instagram, Spotify, and Netflix. What I have to do is I need to simply go to the secure folder and I need to install these apps in here. Since I have already these apps installed on my phone, I just have to tap on this plus, and then I should be able to find these apps on this list. So I can choose Facebook, Instagram, Netflix, and Spotify. There we go. And now I'm gonna tap on add in the upper right corner. And there we go, these apps have been added to the secure folder. Now, these apps are fresh installments, so these apps don't have any data. So even though I can be logged into all my accounts in these apps over here on my phone, I am not logged into any account over here just yet inside the secure folder, because like I said, the secure folder is like completely separated. So of course, now we can go over here, we can sign into our, let's say, other account that we want to use, and so on and so forth. Now, in case you do not have an app yet, but you know you want to duplicate it, then of course you can also press this plus button in here, and then you have the option to download an app from the Play Store, or we can download an app from the Galaxy Store. And keep in mind that if you use one of these two options, in both cases, these apps are going to be installed in the secure folder only. So you will also have to install them on your phone in general as well. And that is pretty much it. That's all that is in terms of duplicating apps with the secure folder. This is all that it is about. We can also tap on these three dots here on the right side in order to find some additional options, like for example, you can hide apps inside the secure folder. You can also hide the secure folder itself. We can lock and exit the secure folder. You can customize the appearance of the secure folder, and also we can find some additional settings. Also, these apps that we have inside the secure folder, they can be added to the home screen. So if you press and hold your finger on any of these apps, you have add to home option. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.